uniting the nations of the world in this kitchen.
I'm pretty sure we're just cooking.
That too. Let's get started.
Okay, first let's mix the dry ingredients.
Don't forget the wheat germ!
And then we add the wet ingredients.
I'm gonna be using honey and Dijon mustard.
Now I'll mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients.
And it defies gravity! Next step.
My location, the Cheese Boutique.
Here we are at the fish market.
Ah, the Maple Forest.
I'm in sizzle heaven.
Avery wins!
Oh. I think I need a snack.
Can we cook something now?
They're so good.
Work those deltoids.
Ladies and gentlemen. What should we call it?
Squishmaster 3000.
Hey!
Oh, my breath.
I go!
This is awesome!
Watch your favorite shows on your PBS station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.